Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Today onwards, our regular sessions we are starting. Up to now, anybody not attending also, don't worry. Today onwards, easily all the things you are understandable. What it is, all the things understandable, diagrammatically and practically, I'm sure. Now, before we are going to start that one, main heading, Oracle 19C, write it because up to some stages, theory also write it. Oracle 19C, main heading, Oracle 19C. Write it, this theory up to this one, everyone knows. Yeah, write it. Oracle is a, write it, some theory write it, up to 10 days, 15 days, you are writing. That's better. Okay. Oracle is a relational database. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate, write it. If you want to operate, okay, anybody have your Akash, your Xerox notes? No, not a problem. Don't write. Okay, yeah. Anybody have? Okay. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. These are first one SQL, second one PL SQL, third one dynamic SQL. These are first one SQL, second one PL SQL, third one dynamic SQL. These are some languages are there in our class we are learning. Okay, up to this one everyone knows, no? Is anybody not attending also? They are understandable. And now onwards important. Observe here. Suppose you are a non-technical person without any knowledge also, today onwards easily understandable. And now that much of easy database. And now check it out. Up to this one everyone knows. Now screen observe here. Suppose Oracle is a database software, that is a product from Oracle Corporation, software product. Okay. But unfortunately, anybody observing or not in a screen only, some other thing is there. SQL plus is there. What is this one? SQL is a language, okay, structured query language, but in a screen only, SQL plus something is there. Here, SQL plus something is there. What is this SQL plus? Very good. One fellow is telling only SQL plus is a tool. He is telling. Very good, correct. SQL plus is a tool. How you are understandable these tools and servers and how it will be executed, those all the things I will do today. And now here, observe here, yes, here some tool is there, SQL plus tool. Some tool is there, SQL plus tool. What is this part? And now check it out. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, how you are understandable? Screen observe it, slowly observe it here, easily understandable. Actually, what they are telling a Oracle Corporation is just you are installing a Oracle software. For example, then automatically some place is created. This is a Oracle database because database some place on. Now slowly observe it here. This is a Oracle database, Oracle DB. Okay, it is a place where we can store data. Okay, suppose you are a user is there. Okay, you are a user or developer. Now you want to you want to store some data into where this database, for example, okay, to store data into this database. Otherwise, if you are interested to retrieve some data, retrieve means fetch, fetch data from database. Whenever if you want to store data into a database, Oracle database, otherwise if you want to fetch data from this database, then this user, whatever user is there, I am also here also, this user uses a what? A two-step process. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. Not a single step. If you want to store data also, fetch data also from the Oracle database, then every user uses two-step process. Is most powerful. What is those two steps means? So many fellows having idea, I think. Here, step one, don't write it. Step one is a connect is a step. What is this one? I will tell you today. Connect. In this connect step only, I am also here also using a what? One example tool is there. What is that one? SQL Plus is one of the tool. What is the tool? Today you are understandable. What is this one? Oh, maybe within a connect step, something is there. That is a SQL Plus client tool or query tool is there. What is that one? I will tell you. Again, step two, once you are connected to the web server by using a tool, then step two is communication. Step two is communication. Once we are connected to the web server, how we are communicate with the what? This Oracle database means, example, we are using a what? SQL is a language is there, comma, PLSQL is a language. These languages through we are communicate with the what? Oracle database. Everyone, so much of knowledge is there in SQL, PL languages. But before we are starting those languages to learn also, we must familiar one tool, SQL Plus tool or tool or SQL developer or SQL navigator or PLSQL developer. What is that one? Today diagrammatically I will tell you. That's why in a Oracle database side, any user wants to perform some operation in a Oracle database, then that user uses two-step process. You have an idea means better. First time newcomer. Then step by step you are learning means then one of the stage installation I'm telling is easily understandable. Okay. Yeah. Now write it fast. Next pair. If any user, write it fast. One fellow is telling only, Murali sir, this is a SQL server. No, MS SQL server different. SQL Plus is different. SQL Plus is available only Oracle. Okay. Yeah. That is today you are understandable. Don't worry. Okay. This is different. Now this is Oracle course. Write it. If any user, once it is telling me, so you are also understandable. Right? If any user wants to perform, some operations on Oracle database, if any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. Then that user uses following two-step process. Then that user uses following two-step process. These are the steps. These are first one. Step one, right? Connect. Oracle Corporation giving this one. Very easy steps. Okay. Step one, connect, right? One example, right? SQL Plus tool. What is that one? Today we are learning. Step one, connect. Example, SQL Plus tool. Step two, write it. Step two, communication. Step two, communication. Example, write it. SQL, PLSQL languages. SQL, PL language. Okay. Now observe it here. Just 5 minutes concentrate enough, easily understandable, because first you are a good programmer means you must familiar this connect step more clearly. Why? Because here in a real-time projects are using some tools. We are learners learning about some tools. I will tell you. Those all the things within 5 minutes you are understandable. The diagrammatically I will tell you. Now check it out. Now observe it here. Concentrate here. First connect the step we are starting. Side edit. Step 1 connect. Step 1 connect. Okay. Now in this step observe it here. How much easy and how much important terminology observe it here. I want a diagrammatically. Now concentrate here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, how you are understandable means concentrate here. Suppose I'm installing Oracle software. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved in a where in a disk. This is called Oracle database. That is everyone knows. It is a place. Daily, I am also here also in this place only. We are storing about some data. Suppose, for example, Oracle database means this is a relational database. No, that's why some database objects are there. Tables are available, procedures are available, functions are available. Okay, triggers are available, or views are available, synonyms are available, indexes are available, uh, procedures are available. Like this, so packages are available. These are called collection of database objects. Don't repeat here something. Observe here. Collection of these are called in a terminology side collection of DB objects, database objects. Now slowly observe here. Slowly observe here. Now here. This is a one user is there. Slowly observe here. One user is there. For example, this user wants to talk to this database. If this user wants to talk to this database, then is this user uses a what? Which language? Which language? Very good. Communicate with the what database, talk to database means operations. They are performing operation. Which language they are using? Very good. SQL. SQL means what? Structured query language. Okay. Structured query language. Okay. Yes. Yeah. But unfortunately, it is the wrong one. It is a wrong one. So many fellows are thinking like, if any user wants to communicate with the what Oracle database directly means impossible. Impossible. This is a client server architecture. That's why first that user connect to the where client tool. This user is first connect to the where client tool or query tools. Client tool or query tool. So now here these are tools are called query tool or client tool. SQL plus is a tool is there, no? Like that so many tools are there in a client tools. I will tell you client tool. First users are connect to the client tool. Then only this client tool through. So now they are connect to the where server. Otherwise impossible. One ID is required. Either maybe SQL plus or Toad or SQL developer. Today I will tell you those tools on some names. Then only once they are connecting what this tool through this database means, then only they are using a what SQL PL SQL languages. That is important. That's why client server architecture. Every database also same, but different languages, different tools are there. Now observe it here. This diagram Oracle Corporation giving. Now I am drawing a what original diagram, easily understandable. 5 minutes concentrate because SQL plus is a tool is there, no? Same like a what SQL plus another tools are there. Those names I want today. Now check it out. Slowly observe. Suppose I'm installing a what Oracle software. Don't write, just observe. Only 5 minutes, easily understandable. That means I'm showing the practical. This is a Oracle database. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, then automatically some place is created in a disk. That is Oracle database. Here, this Oracle database is nothing but a what? A collection of database objects. Oracle Corporation giving like this diagram. Simple. Oh, maybe so many database objects are there. But up to now, what is these objects? You don't have an idea. Okay. Just at least the tables are there in this database. You have an idea now. Now observe here. Okay, collection of database objects. Subject. Collection of database objects, DB objects. Okay. Yeah. Now observe here. Concentrate here. Whenever, okay, son of here, yes, I am also here also communicate with the database means it's just you want to interested to perform some operations in this Oracle database means these users first connect to the where client tool. Users are there. These users are first connect to the where client tool. Here, these are client tools. These client tools you are installing or automatically means I will tell you. First that users are username passwords are there. Through that one they are connect to the server by using a what client tools. Practically I'm showing. Observe here. This is these are called client tools. Client tools or query tools. Once that user is connected to the where client tools, through this client tool, username and password is there. Through that one, they are connected to the where this server. This is the original process. Now, once they are connecting means, then they are using a what? This language. That is what is that language? SQL is a language. SQL means in a future you are learning structured query language, very easiest language. Observe here. Structured query language. Now observe here. Structured query language. But unfortunately, why this diagram Oracle Corporation giving me is these client tools names so many fellows doesn't have an idea. What are the client tools are available means observe here examples of these client tools I want only today. You are a first time newcomer also. Examples of client tools. Maybe some fellows are working professionals, they are well-known persons. Suppose whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, you are installing a what Oracle software in a future, one client tool automatically created. That is called SQL Plus is a tool. Is the first tool. SQL Plus client tool. This tool you are not required to install explicitly. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, automatically this tool is created. Just we are opening, then through the tool, through username, through and password, through we are connected to the server. Don't worry, I will show you practically. That's why this SQL Plus tool is also called as default tool. This is a default tool, not required to load what this tool automatically installed whenever you are installing a Oracle software. I'm showing practically. Now, but unfortunately in a project side, this tool is there, but unfortunately explicitly also they are loading a what? Some GUI tools. So that is graphical user interface tools. Suppose anybody working professionals are there, then those persons are, okay, so debugging the what projects means a PLSQL developer is a tool they are using. Some fellows are SQL server also, and Oracle side also common tool is there. Toad is a tool is there. That is the olden days programmers well-known process. Those tools are GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. But whereas SQL Plus tool is a command line interface, same like a DOS prompt only, just some commands you are typing. But yeah, okay, so now Toad, SQL developer, PLSQL developer, SQL navigator, these tools are GUI, graphical user interface is there. Just we are typing some commands, and off of the program we are typing also, we are executing processes different worksheet through, we are viewing award that one. So something is there, I will tell you. Now observe here, in a tool through also you are learning, not a problem. But learners are first time newcomers are SQL Plus through they are learning. Why? Because each and every commands they are typing is easily they are remembering. Tools means within fraction of second you are learning, not a problem. Now observe here. Yes, what are the tools are there? Maybe some fellows having idea. Toad is a tool. I'm showing a what in a Google. Okay, Toad is a tool you are typing means SQL server also Toad is there. Oracle also Toad is there. Okay, Toad tool is there. Again, another one is what? Anybody having idea? Very good, popular tool. SQL developer is a tool is there. Okay, yeah. Again, another tool. Okay, PLSQL developer also tool is there. This is not a designation, tool only. Okay, tool names developer is a tool. Another tool is what? Some companies are using a what? SQL navigator is a tool is there. Navigator. Navigator is a tool. Okay, yeah. Now, except SQL plus tool, these all the tools are GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. Same like a Windows only. Some in Explorer, something is there. Okay, so through the F5 button, we are executing, something is there. And now here, observe here, practically we are. That's why these tools, second onwards, Toad, SQL Developer, these all tools are also called as GUI. GUI means graphical user interface tools only. Except SQL plus, these are graphical user interface tools only. Now check it out. 1 minute, observe it here. Suppose SQL plus tool, I am not installing. For example, already I'm installing a what? Oracle software. So whenever I'm installing a what? Oracle software, screen observe it. Don't write here. Here Oracle is there. You are also installing in a feature. Observe here, SQL plus automatically there or not? Is a command line interface. Username, password, you are giving only. And now here through that one, you are connected to the where server. Okay, one of these things. Okay. Don't worry, these are all the things one of these things are good. And now here check it out. Username and password. Observe here. This username and password too. They are connected to the where this database internally database is there. They are connecting or not. This is the what SQL plus is the tool is there or not. I am not installing a what SQL plus. Automatically there. This is a default tool. Okay. Yeah. So now those are all the things one by one we are learning. Now first observe it here. Some theory right. Then only we can find. And now observe it. Now write it some theory. Connect right side heading connect. Connect. All are writing a step one connect. Yes, some theory right. First right. Very easy. If any user wants to perform if any user wants to perform if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, MySQL is different. MySQL workbench is different. Okay, yeah. Same like a MySQL workbench, Oracle giving you these tools. Okay, yeah. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, this Oracle database, actually SQL server means SQL server tool is there, no? Yes, MySQL means MySQL workbench is there. But Oracle giving you what these tools. Okay, right. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database. Then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. Up to some stage, right? Why? Because technology, first time newcomer, maybe non-technical person also there. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. Okay, now. Yes, very. Now, next step. Next paragraph. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL plus tool is created. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL plus tool is created. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL plus tool is created. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. Okay, na? This is everyone. Okay, yeah. Complete. Okay, na? Actually, nowadays totally trend is changing. Suppose anybody have any idea Snowflake? Maybe anybody what professionals are there. Those persons working in a very cloud environment. Suppose these SQL plus tools you don't know also. So you are not installing also in a cloud side, just for 30 days free trial software they are giving only in that cloud. Yes, you are typing out these SQL commands working. Okay, na? That's why nowadays totally different. Okay, advanced technologies, right? But first better to know these all. Okay, yeah. And now right live SQL also there. Okay, just draw this diagram roughly at least tools idea purpose, right? Draw this diagram very easily you're understandable. So this is a Oracle database, means this is a server, database server, okay, yeah, like this. This is a client and server architecture. So maybe users are first connected to the client tools. Then only they are connected to the server. Practically, yeah. Draw this diagram. This client tools example, I want only that purpose. This SQL plus tool within the bracket default tool, right? Okay. Here, these tools are here like this, client tools. Okay. Some names. One fellow is asking, well, maybe first time. Murali sir, any internet is required in this one? No, not. Okay. Na? This is not a cloud, no? Yeah, not. Once you are installing a Oracle software, suppose in my system, I'm installing a Oracle software. Observe here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, suppose internet is not there also. Okay. So now here, this is a SQL plus tool is there. Okay. Yes. Now check. Here I'm typing out some username and passwords. And just here I'm not on any net or anything. Okay. Just I'm closing the net means you are disconnected. And now here observe here. Suppose I'm typing a what this SQL language like this. Working or not simple. Nothing is there. Internet is not required. Okay. Yeah. Just we are installing a Oracle software. I will tell you how can you install and all this. Suppose in a previous classes, these programs we are telling in a PLSQL, those persons not using any net, just they're executing the Oracle all the things. Draw this type. Just these tools names awareness purpose. Maybe non-technical persons also they are learning. No, yeah, that's right. One fellow is asking, Pooja, you're asking, Murali sir, all these tools are default tools? No, only observe here, SQL plus is there. No, this is only default. Okay, Whenever I am installing, you are installing Oracle, only SQL plus tool only created. But remaining tools you are interested means you are in, okay, downloading from the net, you are installing. Okay, these are all the things explicit tools except SQL plus. That GUI tools you are installing explicit. Only SQL plus tool only they are giving a Oracle corporation. But the remaining tools are the trial software is also there from the where net only you are downloading, you are interested. Up to some stage not required. Anybody experience is there, then in a future you are also downloading. But up to now SQL plus we are using. Okay, yeah. These names awareness purpose first. Okay, yeah. Draw this diagram and tools names, write it. ETL talent is different now. Already I'm telling anybody attending a demo, that's why demo classes are important. ETL means that is data warehousing technology is there now. This database here from this place into another place, they are transferring the data by using ETL tools. Talent is a tool, Informatica is a tool. Here onwards, again another here. This database to this is a OLTP database. This database to another data warehousing, they are transferring the data. In that case only, they are using a what? ETL tools. Here ETL. This is a data warehousing technology. This is different. Here reporting tools, BOS, OBI, they are using only Tableau, QuickView. Here talent tool. But up to this stage is what? Nah. Okay, yeah, this is different. First stage this one. One fellow is asking only, Murali sir, which ETL tool regularly used means actually, according to my experience, Informatica. In olden days onwards, so many companies are using a Informatica. Informatica is available olden days onwards. But nowadays, last 3 years onwards, Talent is a tool also regularly using in a company. These two tools are important in India. Anybody learning Informatica also, so many jobs are there. Talent also, so many jobs. But tools you are learning means what is the problem? Minimum 2 years gap, 3 years gap is required. Nowadays, 3 years gap only calls are there in a recent stage. No. This technology means SQL, PL, SQL. This means maybe 1 year gap also. Java, .NET, Python. These technologies means calls are there in a less experience also. But tools means so much of gap is there. Then only you're up. Recent time means tools means so much of experience they're asked. Finished these tools. GA tools, right? SQL plus tool, default tool. Second one, Toad tool, SQL developer tool, PL SQL developer tool, SQL navigator is a tool. These are collection of database objects, Oracle database. Okay, now fast. Hello. Complete. Simple diagram. Only non-technical persons awareness purpose, these tools purpose only Oracle Corporation giving, not my diagram, Oracle Corporation diagram. Finished? And now observe it here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. You are confusing. For example, you don't know anything. Up to now, you are not installing. That's why you are interested to check out what these tools means. Through the Google, you have to check it out. All the tools are visible. Suppose here in a Google, Toad is a tool for Oracle. SQL developer is a tool. SQL navigator is a tool. You are typing means automatically that GUI tools are displayed on. Okay, so now those GUI tools are displayed. Now here, check it out. It will take a time update. Now observe here. Suppose Toad is a tool for Oracle. I am typing. Observe here. tool for SQL developer also there. Sorry, okay, so SQL server also there, and also Oracle database also there. Okay, two. Okay, observe here, code for Oracle. This is your downloading one. You are interested. Yeah. Otherwise, you may just observe here. These symbols are there. These are GUI tools. You are downloading means yes, possible. Okay, and now write it first. SQL developer, all the things. Write it example. At least first default tool, right? Example SQL plus tool, right? SQL plus tool. First write it. SQL, at least SQL plus means default tool only. Write it first time. No? SQL plus is an interactive query tool. Write it. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically when you install Oracle software. SQL Plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically when you install Oracle software. Okay. All right. SQL Plus has a command line interface. Command line interface means same like a DOS prompt. No? Yes, here. Like this one. Okay. Yeah. I will show you. SQL Plus has a command line interface that allows. SQL Plus has a command line interface that allows users to class material PDF they will send. Okay. Up to some stage write it. Okay. After that one you are not writing also. Not. SQL Plus has a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server. SQL Plus has a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server and execute statements interactively. And executes statements interactively. And executes statements interactively. And executes statements interactively. Okay, those navigations and also installation, editions, those all the things tomorrow better because first time newcomer, some fellows are first time only enough that one they are telling me. Okay, enough. This is the first time. This is the first class only. Don't worry. Okay, that's well less. Tomorrow I will tell you. Remember. Okay, thank you. Slowly, once you are installing this, you are also interacting with all the things. Up to installation, some knowledge is required because editions knowledge is required. Some tables are there, some commands are there, you have an idea. Then only installation process I will tell you. Installation process. This is installation process. Once installation you are performing, then anything also you are up to some stage, some knowledge is required. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Installation means only Oracle installation enough. In that case, yes, one fellow is asking only Murali sir. Okay, recorded videos you have to send to this mail ID. Okay, recorded videos are not there in my system. Only you have to ask management one. Okay, yeah, those persons only take care of all the things. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, you have to contact with the management. Please send me the recorded videos or materials. They are telling, they are sending one. Okay, in my system, those things. There only this is my okay, yeah. Those recorded videos are there in aware in their system. They will send. Okay, you have to ask those persons only. send materials, videos, all the things they will send. Don't worry. Okay. You have to ask first. Otherwise, they're taking a time on. You have to ask me, then immediately they send. Okay. Now, tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Tomorrow.